Hey, if you're dealing with back, hip, or knee pain all the time, I want you to know something important. Your body isn't broken. It just forgot how to move the right way. And no, stretching for a few seconds or rolling on a foam roller isn't gonna fix it long term. Popping pain pills, that only hides the problem. What really helps is moving better. I'm going to show you 5 simple movements that have helped hundreds of people stop hurting and start feeling great again. These aren't workouts, just basic moves your body needs every day. If you're feeling stiff, sore, or like your body's falling apart,
Whether you're experiencing pain in your back, hips, knees, or anywhere else in your body, you must stop treating the symptoms. Things like stretching, foam rolling, massage, physios, pills, and surgeries are not the answer to your problem. Movement is.
stick around because this could totally change how you feel. Let's jump in with the first one, something you probably haven't done since you were a kid. Movement 1, the deep squat hold. Let me guess, you haven't sat in a deep squat since nap time in kindergarten, right? Well, turns out that child's play is actually one of the most powerful things your body is missing. This isn't a leg day squat, it's a resting position, the kind your ancestors used every single day. To eat, to rest, to talk, to exist. The deep squat decompresses your spine, opens up your hips, strengthens your knees, stretches your lower back, and even wakes up your pelvic floor. Yeah, it does all that. If your hips feel like they're made of concrete, if your knees snap, crackle, and pop, if your lower back aches from just existing, start here. Now, you don't have to look perfect doing it. Seriously, forget Instagram form. Just get down there and let gravity do its thing. Use support if you need to. Elevate your heels if your ankles are tight. The goal is to spend time in this position every day. Read in it, scroll in it, watch YouTube in it. Start with 5 minutes total and build up to 30 minutes a day, broken into chunks. This is how you reteach your body what it used to know, how to rest like a human. And here's the real secret. This simple position sets the foundation for everything else you'll do to move pain-free. It's not just about flexibility or strength, it's about resetting your whole body's natural balance. The more you practice, the more natural it feels, and the less pain you'll notice creeping in during your day. So don't rush it. Make this squat your new best friend. Your body will thank you. Movement 2, the passive hang. This right here, it's the shoulder rehab no one ever told you about. We spend all day hunched over. Phones, laptops, steering wheels. Our shoulders? Totally wrecked. Our posture? Disaster. Our spine? Compressed like an old accordion. Enter the passive hang. It's simple. You grab a bar and hang. That's it. But the benefits? Massive. It decompresses your spine, resets your shoulder mechanics, strengthens your grip, and straight up rebuilds your posture from the ground up. Here's the wild part. Grip strength is one of the biggest predictors of how long you'll live, yet hardly anyone trains it. Hanging fixes that. Start slow. Can't hang for long? Totally fine. Use a box. Let your feet help. Add chalk for grip. Just like with squatting, accumulate time throughout the day. Let your body relax into it. Let gravity pull tension out of your spine and shoulders. Over time, you'll go from shaky 10-second hangs to flowing through one-arm hangs, dynamic swings, and full body strength you didn't know you had. Your shoulders, breath, spine, and even sleep will thank you. All from just hanging around. And don't underestimate how much just hanging out can transform you. It's like a reset button for your upper body that fits into your day, no matter how busy you are. Plus, improving your grip unlocks strength for everything else, from opening jars to crushing workouts. So, start small, stick with it, and watch your whole posture and confidence soar. Movement 3, the Jefferson curl. You've probably been told, never round your back. Yeah, that advice, it's outdated, and honestly, kind of harmful, because your spine needs to bend, should bend, was built to bend. Enter the Jefferson curl, the movement that helps you reclaim control of your spine one vertebra at a time. It trains what's called segmental flexion, which basically means you're teaching your spine how to move like a wave, not a rigid stick. Most back pain, it's not because something's torn. It's because your back is stiff, fragile, and terrified to move. This fixes that. Start with body weight. Go super slow. Roll down like you're peeling your spine off an imaginary wall, vertebra by vertebra. Feel it, own it, don't rush it. Once you've nailed the control, you can slowly start adding weight, like a 10-kilogram dumbbell. Eventually, you'll unlock variations like Jefferson curls from a squat, one-arm curls, or hamstring-loaded versions that challenge you even more. The point is simple. Stop fearing spinal flexion. Start mastering it. Because a spine that moves well doesn't break down. And here's the kicker. This isn't about flashy moves or pushing past pain. It's about rewiring your nervous system to trust your back again. With patience, your spine gets stronger, more resilient, and way less likely to hold on to pain. Think of it as turning your back from a fragile souvenir into a bulletproof powerhouse, one slow curl at a time. Movement 4, 90-90 hip rotations. Your hips are basically on lockdown. Why? Because we sit all day long, and when you don't move your hips the way they're meant to move, your knees start screaming, your lower back tightens up, and your squat looks like a folding chair collapsing. So, forget another hamstring stretch. What you actually need is hip rotation. The 90-90 position trains your femur, that big upper leg bone, to rotate smoothly inside your hip socket. It's not passive stretching, it's joint control, and it's essential. Lack internal rotation? Say hello to bad knees, shallow squats, and stiff hips. Start easy. Sit on the floor, use your hands to support, and move gently through the 90-90. It might feel awkward at first. Your knees may complain. Your hips might feel stuck. Good. That means you're waking things up. With time, you'll get smoother. You'll start to move without your hands. Your hips will open. Your knees will feel more stable. And everything from your squat to your stride will level up. Think of it like this. Healthy knees start at the hips. Train them like it matters, because it does. And the best part? This isn't just for the gym. Every time you get up off the floor, move through a lunge, or walk upstairs, you're using these mechanics. So why not actually train them? Give your hips the love they deserve, and they'll return the favor every step you take. Movement 5, thoracic mobility. Got back pain? Shoulder tightness? Can't take a deep breath without feeling stuck? It might not be your lower back or your shoulders. It's probably your thoracic spine, aka your upper back. And chances are, it's locked up like a safe. This part of your spine is supposed to twist, bend, and extend. But modern life? It's like a freeze ray hit it. Hours hunched over phones, laptops, and steering wheels turn this crucial area into concrete. That's where thoracic mobility steps in. Start with the basics. Thoracic extensions over a foam roller, floor-based rotations, or even weighted pullovers that sneak in some strength while unlocking mobility. And don't overthink it. You're not trying to force movement. You're giving your spine permission to move again. The payoff? Massive. Your posture improves. Your shoulders glide instead of grind. Your rib cage actually moves, which means deeper breaths, better recovery, and a calmer nervous system. Here's what most people miss. Shoulder impingement, usually thoracic. Neck pain, same. Tight lower back, yep. Upper back's to blame more often than not. So if you want to move, breathe, and live better, start by unlocking your thoracic spine. You'll feel taller, lighter, and stronger just by giving your upper back the mobility it was built for. Top of form. Here's the deal. You don't need a crazy routine or fancy equipment to fix your pain. You just need these 5 movements, done regularly, with intention, and a little patience. When you lose these basics, your body screams. When you get them back, pain often disappears like magic. But here's the catch. There's no magic pill. It's about showing up, doing the work, making movement a daily habit. I've seen beginners in their 70s, pro athletes, people with metal rods and fused spines, everyone getting better by mastering these fundamentals. No gym required, no expensive gear, just you, your body, and some time. So if you're ready to stop feeling broken and start moving like a real human again, start here. Start now. Try these movements every day. Build up your time. Feel yourself getting stronger, looser, and more alive. If this clicked for you, hit like, comment which movement you're missing, and subscribe for more no BS movement advice.